Ever thought a small interior upgrade could completely transform your daily drive? This little kit for Opel owners promises just that, but can a gear shift knob and handbrake cover really make a difference? Well, let's dive into this gear shift knob lever boot and anti-slip parking handbrake grips case, specifically designed for the Opel Corsa C from 2001 to 2006, the Tigra B from 2004 to 2012, and the Combo C from 2001 to 2011. It's a three-piece set, and right off the bat, the manufacturer highlights the materials. We're talking about premium quality plastic here, which might sound simple, but they emphasize its lightweight nature, anti-rust properties, and a good surface finish. The claim is firmness, resistance to aging and wear, ensuring maximum strength and durability for long-term use. And honestly, for something you interact with constantly, that kind of longevity is exactly what you want. The fitment is precise, which is always a relief when dealing with car parts. Knowing it's engineered specifically for those Opel models means you're not wrestling with universal adapters or ill-fitting components. Installation is touted as incredibly easy, requiring no special tools. Just original standards, a perfect fit, and a convenient, efficient process without any modifications. That's a huge plus for anyone who prefers a straightforward DIY upgrade. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The product description mentions exquisite craftsmanship and an ergonomic design that brings a comfortable operation feeling. This is where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. A well-designed gear shift knob can genuinely make driving more comfortable, and while it won't magically make your car faster, the improved handling and more stable feel it provides can certainly enhance your overall driving experience. It's about the tactile feedback, the grip, and how it feels in your hand during every shift and every time you engage the handbrake. That anti-slip feature on the handbrake grip is a thoughtful touch, adding to both safety and comfort. So, what's the verdict on this generic branded, three-piece car theme kit? If you own one of the specified Opel models and are looking for a simple, effective way to refresh your interior and potentially improve your daily driving comfort, this kit seems like a solid contender. It promises durability, ease of installation, and a noticeable upgrade in feel, all without breaking the bank. It's a practical enhancement that focuses on the parts of your car you interact with most directly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.